Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to import deals to HubSpot CRM. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your HubSpot credentials. This ensures you have access to your CRM dashboard and all the tools you need to manage your deals effectively. After logging in, you'll land on your main HubSpot dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for and click on CRM. This will expand a submenu with various CRM options. From this submenu, click on Deals. This takes you to the Deals Management area where you can view, create, and import all your deal information. Now that you're in the Deals section, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Add Deals. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear with different options for adding deals to your CRM. From this drop-down, click on Import. This option is specifically designed for bulk uploading deals from external files, which saves you tons of time compared to manually entering each deal one by one. Next, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option that says Import a File. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the import workflow that guides you through the process of uploading your deals data into HubSpot. You'll now see different import options available. Click on Quick Import. This streamlined option is perfect when you have a straightforward file with deal information and want to get it into your CRM without complex mapping or configurations. It's designed to make the import process as smooth and fast as possible. At this point, you'll see a button that says Choose a File. Click on it and this will open your computer's file browser. Navigate to the location where your deals file is saved, select the file you want to import, and then click Next. Make sure your file is in a compatible format like CSV or Excel so HubSpot can read it properly. Now, HubSpot will display a preview of your data so you can review it before finalizing the import. This is a crucial step because you want to make sure everything looks correct. Pay special attention to any unmapped columns that appear. If you see any, you'll need to select the appropriate HubSpot property for each unmapped column. This ensures that your deal information gets placed in the correct fields within your CRM. Take your time here to match everything up properly. Once you've reviewed all the data and mapped any unmapped columns, click Next to proceed to the final step. Finally, you'll see a checkbox asking you to confirm that you agree to the import terms. Check this checkbox and then click Finish Import. HubSpot will now begin processing your file and adding all the deals to your CRM. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a few moments, so just give it some time to complete. And that's it. You've successfully imported your deals into HubSpot CRM, saving yourself hours of manual data entry. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.